Hey Nate, here's the worksheet that you sent me, workbook that you sent me. Here's the instructions. It says to page 47, go to the asset mix, select the range A4 through B9, like in the picture. Okay, so we'll go do that. Okay, so A4. So I click and hold on asset and go all the way down to that final number there, not the total. I did not select the total. This is the, I'll do it again just so you can kind of see flow here. And then this is the quick analysis. So if I click on that, and I'm assuming they're going to want us to go to the charts, but let's go back and look at the instructions. And in the charts category, they want us to pick pi. So again, click here, click charts, click pi, and there's your pie chart. And I'll take you to the next instruction here. And the next part on page 48 is to move it. So I didn't do anything, but I've got the chart selected, and we want to go to the Chart Tools Design tab, and then move it to Summary. So it's selected now, and I can tell this because we've got Chart Design, and then this is where it says over here to move the chart, and we want to pick Object In, and then these are your options of the worksheets. So let's go back to instructions just to make sure we're putting it in the right place. They want it in the Summary tab. And so once I click on Object in Summary, choose OK, and now it shows up in the Summary. And then at this point we just need to move it around so that it looks good wherever they tell you to put it. So let's see how this works for you and see if that gets you moving. Okay, thanks.